Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. In this tutorial, talk to you about how to multiple databases replication on Ubuntu 16.04. MySQL database replication is very important issue for disaster recovery. So you can configure step-by-step multiple database replication on Ubuntu 16.04. I am ready to help some tutorial for you. Please make sure that your server must be SSH enabled without password authentication. SSH enabled without password authentication. SSH means Sequential Network Protocol System. SSH system default connection port 22. If you can change to another using port for security purpose, so I have to show SSH enable without password authentication. It is very important thing. If you can MySQL DB application, then must be SSH enable without password authentication. This is my two server 1 and server 2. This is my master server and slave server. Server 1 configuration enable create .ssh both server and go to this directory both server and create SSH keygen and get idrsa.pub file for both server and create authorized key file or open this file then collect all text for another server, go to server 2 and create authorized key files and then insert all authorized key from server 1. This is server 1. Insert into server 2 and save and exit, and this is permission setup csmode 755 dot authorized key and go back csmode 755 SS service restart. Server 2 configuration, this is already create authorized key file, then collect all text for add server 1, go to server 1 and create authorized key file and then insert all text authorized key from server 2. Set up permission, then restart service. Okay, and now check SSH is correctly configured. SSH, yes, this is slave server is connected. And I am going to slave server and SSH from slave server to master. Yes, this is connected to master server. And exit from master. Yes, now going to main replication. All server is install MySQL server. Maybe something wrong, so try to apt-get update with fix missing. Yes, maybe. Now install MySQL server, both server, and set up MySQL password, MySQL root password. Okay, installation done. MySQL masters slave replication Ubuntu prerequisite must be enable SSH authentication without password authentication, must be UFW or any firewall disable for two server, must be comment out below this line from master and slave. Open this file. From both server and save. Bind address and save. Or skip networking if exist or not. Master server configuration, open my.cnf file and insert server ID, relay log and login file location. Open this file. Then save and restart MySQL server. Save and restart MySQL server. Create my replication user and grant privilege. Replication user and grant privilege. Log in MySQL terminal. And create database test db, create user using password, grant privilege, all network, flash privilege, show master status, and flash table with read lock. Open another terminal for backup all master database. Copy this code and backup. Copy master.sql file into slave server. scp master db.sql file root@slave server ip:root. Now going to slave server. This is master server.sql. Slave server configuration. This is to be slave server configuration. Open this file and insert below all line this section MySQL D section. MySQL D section. MySQL D section and restart MySQL server. And now database import into slave server. This command, type password, go to MySQL terminal, password, stop slave, okay. Master server host and replica user password, log file, master server log file name, master server log position, and run this code from slave server. Okay. Start slave and go to master terminal. When first time login and unlock table command below. Unlock tables. Now check master slave replication status. Go to slave MySQL terminal, then run below command for show status. Slave server status. Yes, slave is running, slave SQL is running. Yes. Replication test, create table and then go to slave server. Go to master server MySQL terminal, use testdb, create table, test name, show tables test, and go to slave server MySQL terminal, use testdb, show tables test, create another table test1 and show tables test1. Create another table test2, show tables test2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.